In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Delta Airlines app. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is open up the Play Store or the App Store on your phone and download the Fly Delta mobile app. As you can see, it's called Fly Delta by the Delta Airlines Incorporated. Open the app up after you download it, and first you are going to see a showcase of what's new on the app. As you can see, this will teach you about all the features and basic functionalities of the app, and when you are done viewing this, click on the arrow at the top left. Immediately, you will be able to sign into your SkyMiles account, or you can choose continue as a guest. As you can see, the first thing that's shown to us is the ability to book a flight through the app. You can open up the menu at the top left corner of the screen to explore other functionalities of the app. You will be able to see all of your trips if you are signed in or after you input your full name and the confirmation number, ticket number, or credit card number, and you can check out other stuff related to flying with Delta. After you are satisfied by using all of these features, you will be able to sign into your account to finish setting up any flight that you have. You will be able to add bonuses into your flight, for example, more bags, more baggage, upgrade your flight, and manage everything from here. You will have the ability to check in as well, as long as you are properly booked within Delta and you can find your flight inside of Delta. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Delta Airlines app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.